Meet the ProPad Horizontal, Sealed Air's compact, high-performance paper cushioning system designed to keep your packaging line moving. Its small footprint eliminates the need for bulky carts or extra floor space. Simply roll a pallet of fanfold paper directly under the machine and lock it into place. Upright paper loading is ergonomic and easy, helping reduce strain for your team. The magnetic touchscreen control moves with your operator, giving them flexibility and comfort throughout the day. With the press of a button, the system converts fanfold paper into custom-length pads, fast, consistent, and ready when you need them. Smart sensors let you know when the bin is full, so your operation keeps flowing without interruption. Transport the pads where they're needed, whether it's a central line or an individual pack station. ProPad Horizontal uses TigerPad paper, made from 100% recycled fibers and curbside recyclable, so you can hit your sustainability goals without sacrificing performance. Compact, powerful, operator-friendly. The ProPad Horizontal delivers protection, efficiency, and sustainability right where you need it.